little ones. I am Nancy ma'am and I warmly welcome you all lovely kids for a new session on backward counting. By now, you all must have known how to count backward counting. And I hope you all must have definitely practiced writing the same. Till now, you all have learned backward counting 40 to 0. Today, learn further backward counting 50 to 0.
Let's learn orally backward numbers 50 to 0.
50 50, 49 49, 48 48, 47 47, 46 46, 45 45, 44 44, 43 43, 42 42, 41 41, 40 40, 39 39, 38 38, 37 37, 36 36, 35 35, 34 34, 33 33, 32 32, 31 31, 30 30, 29 29, 28 28, 27 27, 26 26, 25 25, 24 24, 23 23, 22 22, 21 21, 20 20, 19 19, 18 18, 17 17, 16 16, 15 15, 14 14, 13 13, 12 12, 11 11, 10 10, 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. So kids, now we know orally backward numbers 50 to 0. Let's learn how to write the same. First, we'll start with today's date. 27.7.20. Leave two boxes. B capital, A C K W A R D, backward, one finger space, N capital, U M B E R S, backward numbers 50 50 dash 0. Now leave one line near to the margin line. T O dot T O dot T O dot T O, and since it is backward numbers 50 to 0, we have to write 5 times. So the next page near to the margin line, T O. First number 50 50, 4 9 49, 4 8 48, 4 7 47, 4 6 46, 4 5 45, 4 4 44, 4, 3, 43, 4, 2, 42, 4, 1, 41. Further, 4, 0, 40, 3, 9, 39, 3, 8, 38, 3, 7, 37, 3, 6, 36, 3, 5, 35, 3, 4, 34, 3, 3, 33, 3, 2, 32, 3, 1, 31. Next, 3, 0, 30, 2, 9, 29, 2, 8, 28, 2, 7, 27, 2, 6, 26, 2, 5, 25, 2, 4, 24, 2, 3, 23, 2, 2, 22, 2, 1, 21, 2, 0, 20, 1, 9, 19, 1, 8, 18, 1, 7, 17, 1, 6, 16, 1, 5, 15, 1, 4, 14, 1, 3, 13, 1, 2, 12, 1, 1, 11. Now we move to the next page. 1, 0, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So now in the same formation you all have to practice at home. Do practice 50 to 0. See you all in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.